Hi, good day to you. I want to show you these very powerful indicator from TradingView. It's actually new from Algo Alpha. It's called Trend Target Indicator. So what you do is just go to your indicator button here, then search for, I have it in my favorite already, search for Trend Targets by Algo Alpha, then put it in your chart. Okay, so what you see is this line, these trend signal, this trend signal. Okay, so I've been testing this for a while, and one good thing about this indicator is that it has predetermined targets. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, then it has a stop loss here. Okay, so what you can, if you choose, you can decide to tinker with the settings. Okay, you have the settings here. You can decide to tinker with the settings if you have an understanding of what's happening there. Okay, you can talk about the settings. The targets also have settings. This indicator is actually based on ATR. Okay, so you can tinker with the settings if you like. Okay, but I'll just leave the default setting. What I want to do is just to show you is to backtest and play backtest for you. But what I have on this chart are actually two indicators. You might want to try this other one. This one is called Smart Money Concept by Algo. Okay, what this one does for me is that it paints the pivot points and the demand and supply areas very clearly. And you see, this one says strong low. This one here it says weak high. Okay, and you have these reversal points. You have this demand and supply area painted very clearly. So if I'm trading this manually, what I do actually is to want to go for trades that are coming from a strong low or strong high. Okay, it has bounced or it has been rejected by a strong low or strong high. Okay, this kind of rejection here. Okay, I want to place this type of trade, okay, or this type of trade, okay, after a demand zone or a supply zone, okay, or a rejection zone at these levels. Okay, so that's what I want to do. But even if you don't use this other indicator that is called Smart Money Concept, you can still make use. I found out that these Algo Alpha trend targets has a high win rate. Okay, you can't have 100%. For instance, you see this one did not go anywhere, but immediately after that happened, you see that. Okay, so I'm going to backtest this. Okay, all right, so let's run. Trade, take profits taken out there. So another thing that this indicator does is that it paints retest points. Okay, that's another signal. Okay, that's another signal there. You have the stop loss and the take profits. Okay, the stop loss is not hit yet. Okay, let's see if it's going to touch the take profit. Okay, stop loss hit. Another signal in that place. Take profit hit. another buy signal. Take profit 1 each already. Take profit 2 each already. Another signal, another sell signal there. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. Take profit 3. Okay, so that is system there. That is that indicator. It's one interesting indicator. So what you want to do is that after probably you hit the profit 1, you also want to move the stop loss to break even. Okay, so that after the profit 1 has been hit, you can just play safe by moving your stop loss to break even. All right, take care. See you again.